I'm so happy. Y'all are going to buy clothes without trying it out.
I'm not buying.
I can't. I can't. I can't.
Please, more than you. What are you talking?
I thought Rhythm selected that color for me.
Exactly. Even I thought.
Tillu is having palpitations. Tillu doesn't want this color.
Like, what thought did you get? Do you see what colors I wear? What is
This would make you feel young.
I am young.
Such a bright color. Yes.
It
You're
hurts
doing it.
my
You're
eye.
wearing this.
It hurts my eye. I can't.
Show me, it's hurting. Okay, do not judge me. I never watched SpongeBob in my entire childhood. I was never a Nickelodeon kid. Okay, now do not hate me because I never even watched Pokemon or Power Rangers. But yeah, and I always used to feel left out whenever I used to see the SpongeBob meme. I'm like, why is everyone so crazy behind SpongeBob? Like, what is it about? Why are there so many memes? And yeah, if you don't know any meme, then you don't feel like sharing it and you don't know what SpongeBob. I don't even know any more characters other than him, Squid. I'm so sorry. I was never even a Cartoon Network kid. I never liked Dexter. I used to watch cartoon a lot, okay? But there were some cartoons which I never liked because I used to think that Dexter was all about science. And I kind of watched Powerpuff Girls a little bit, but not that much. I used to watch Hangama a lot. And I just giving a justification, but I don't want you all to judge me that how is that not watch SpongeBob? But if you guys have watched it, if you guys have not watched it, please let me know so that I know that I'm not the only one who've not seen this cartoon. Bye. I'm gonna watch it. Let's see if I like it or not. What's up? Okay, it's been ages I've shot on terrace, or we had this terrace talk which we usually do. Now I actually don't get time to come to my beautiful terrace and spend some alone time. But on weekend I make sure that I come here. I come on the terrace, I feel the sunlight. Just like the alien from Kal Ho Na Ho. Wow, I messed up. I mean Jadoo from the movie. I keep forgetting the name. My God, Krish first part too. Kal Ho Na Ho. Kal Ho Na Ho was Shah Rukh Khan's movie. What was the... How can I forget? One of my favorite movies, one of my favorite Bollywood movies. But look at this new graphic t-shirt I just purchased yesterday from H&M. Oh my God, it's so comfy. I got that. Why do I have to talk so fast so that I fumble up things? I could rather speak calmly, slowly, think my words and then speak. That's never going to be my vlog. Yeah, I love graphic tees. I actually picked it up. I love this graphic t-shirt which I actually picked up from the men's section. I could do that. It's so comfy. I want to buy all of these shirts. I'm trying to tell myself that it's okay to spend 600 on a plain t-shirt because of the comfort and the print, and not be a cheap Indian who would not spend a 700 per t-shirt. I'm not speaking for everyone, but yeah, I used to be that person who would say I'm not going to spend 700 for a t-shirt, but if in LA this normal t-shirt will start from 1400. So I start to what? This is how ADHD happens when you don't know what is happening. I mean to say that this is how I start living, not to think so much about money. I think we've all since the childhood been pumped up, brainwashed. I'm so sorry. I just let them cut it here, please. Cut it here, okay. We Indians have been brainwashed to always do some jugaad and buy some cheap stuff, and now I'm evolving. I'm trying to not think about money. If I like it, I'll buy it and not crib that I'm spending so much, because it's only in India where we get the food so cheap. Not that I've been out of India, but I still know because I've been brainwashed by all the other countries by watching YouTube for the past 5 years. But that's everything is very cheap here, and that's the reason I think that we should go for cheap stuff, but not now. I'm sweating. My underarms have increased. They've grown. What the fuck are you even speaking, girl? I've not waxed my hair since past 4 months. I think it's for everyone. I kept trimming it. Why do I have to share this information? But still, I'm going to get it waxed before Diwali so they shine. But I'm not ready to take the chatka, the heat on my hands anymore. I have to get my eyebrows also done. Diwali is only for a day or two, but you need to prep up so much. You need to buy a kurta. Like, no one is telling you to do it, but then when you see your friends wearing a kurta and you don't want to wear a kurta, then you start feeling FOMO and you cannot wear a casual clothes in the photo and then eventually have to wear it, and that's the society pressure. I like wearing kurtas, but I hate to go and buy one. Yeah, that's the process. So you need to start loving the process and not the final thing here. So bad at motivation talks, but I'm so pumped right now. Yeah, I always it's 4 o'clock right now on Sunday. I feel like I need to get up at 7 and crush the day, but I need to go out to get some coffee so that I don't feel shit that I didn't do anything on this day, even though it's supposed to relax. Weekend's supposed to relax, but my mind just cannot relax. I need to like go out, scream, do stuff, and be like, oh, now I feel I've done more stuff. For me, it's more of the outside adventure. I can see 2 pigeons making out, so I'm getting distracted there. Stop it! I need to vlog. And there's this 2 crows looking at them, but bye guys, let's go down and see. Want the keys for your house, Rhythm?
Take it, Baba.
We were going to jump scare you when yesterday you were playing the game. So think about that and then give us the keys.
Why you're holding
How
like
would
your
you do
boobs
that?
are very saggy type?
Yeah, kind of. I've not done some push-ups in the first 2 months almost.
Weekend, bro, weekend. Rhythm made cold brew. Sid thought it's old mom. Similar, the taste is similar. I don't know the taste of old mom, okay? I'm just saying it's by taste it, Rhythm. She, what? You're always scratching your balls. Yes. She. I finally waxed my legs and my hands. It did pain, but I got it done after 5 months. It's all cleared. I will shoot my reaction when I do the bikini wax for the first time, but I've not done it yet. Sharing such unrelated information in my vlogs because it's overly that's vlogs. Nice packaging. Rhythm, my gift to you.
Don't you fucking tear it now. I need 2 more.
What?
2 more. Give me at least 3. I have a fridge now. Give me at least 3.
This is reverse what you want to do.
Yeah.
Huh?
Give me at least 3.
Okay, I'll buy you 3.
GG's.
This is GG.
GG is.
GG boys. Need some
You're
alcohol
paying for
also
this
in your
shit.
fridge.
You're paying for this shit.
Alcohol also some in your fridge.
I don't know you.
Huh? Your aunt, mommy should know. Boy's getting big now.
Don't take my mother's name in your vlogs. She's pure, unlike your vlogs.
They are pure too. You edit them. You know how pure they are.
The amount of shit I remove, like, your order will be scarred.
They are already scarred, I feel.
No, they are not.
They're not?
No.
Tillu is from those person who is mean on the camera, off camera also, so can't say much. You know what? You want to kill me. I was going to bring Jack Daniels honey at your place on Diwali and give you.
Yeah, right.
Seriously, I'm going to do
Yeah, in
that.
front of my mother, you would do that.
I would do that for your reaction on my vlog.
Yeah, that I know.
But I wouldn't show your mom that way. I would
That I would
have seen it.
Very
You
nice.
want me to do it?
No. Future housemaker
Jack
allowed to
Daniels
give me
honey.
all the possible whiskies.
You know I am not an alcohol person.
That's why you give all the alcohol what you receive to me.
I don't think you are also an alcohol person. Like, look at you, you sweet person who only eats sweets.
5 minutes back, when did you tell me that this girl is so mean on camera? Off camera?
Oh, sorry, I take my words back. You're not sweet. You're mean, bitch. Not bitch. You cannot call Tullu bitch and everything. It doesn't applicable on her.
I don't know whether he is or not.
Oh. Delivery boy? Okay, you can go out. That's it.
Payment, ma'am?
Huh?
Payment?
You can come inside.
Huh?
No, no need of the payment. Come inside, I'll give you the change. Sit.
No, ma'am, sorry.
People usually vlog at their home and then go outside. I basically vlog outside and then come home and then shut my camera. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you guys did, don't forget to like the vlog. Dislike if you didn't like it. Comment if you want to talk to me. I'm always there. And for this video, I would like to give a shout out to Soumya. Thank you so much for saying that you love my vlogs. If you guys want to be in the next shout out, all you have to do is comment on my recent Instagram photo or on YouTube, or you can tweet me at Overlira. Thank you so much for all the support, guys. Love you all. Bye.
This my niche, play my role, what you hold, little boy best don't reach. Your shit dirt, you get curved, I just
I want to see how the size looks. That's what she said. What size are you comfortable with?
Shut up.
I got lucid dreams, I make movie scenes, this not new to me. We gon' kill like Scream, ego my enemy, my heat got entropy, it's all just chemistry.